こんにちは、フィルです。Is it go home or come home? Is it go back or come back? Well, it depends on where you are and where the listener is. The basic rule is you go there and you come here. But of course, as usual with English, it's a little more complicated than that. Okay, so if the movement is towards me, I use come. Do you want to come here for dinner? If the movement is towards you, I also use come. Can I come to your house? If the movement is to another place, not where I am and not where you are, we use go. I'm going to a party in Shinjuku tonight. But if I want you to join me at that other place, I use come. I'm going to a party in Shinjuku tonight. Do you want to come with me? So back to the question I asked earlier. Is it go home or come home? Right now, I am at home. This is my home. So I can say, I'm going to work in 10 minutes. I will come home around 7 o'clock. But if I'm at the izakaya or at the bar and it's very late, I would say, it's late. I should go home. So it depends on the direction of movement and on the location of the speaker and the listener. So to give you a personal example, I used to live in Japan. Now I live in Spain. But next month, I will move back to Japan. So, if you are watching this video in Japan, konnichiwa, I would say to you, I'm coming back to Japan. But if you are watching this video in any other country, then to you I will say, I'm going back to Japan next month. Do you get it? That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Click here for another video. Click here to subscribe to my channel for new videos every Wednesday. And I'll see you next week. お疲れ様でした。Bye.